If your iPhone buttons are broken or you just want a faster way to mute your iPhone, this trick is a game changer. You can mute or unmute your iPhone without touching any physical buttons. Go to the settings, then accessibility, then touch, and turn on assistive touch. You'll see a floating button appear on your screen. Now tap on customize top level menu and remove all the icons. Just keep one if you want it clean. But here is the real trick. Go back and look at custom actions. You'll see options for single tap, double tap, and long press. Now set single tap to control center or any other option because you've got like a long list of options available here. Then set double tap to mute and set long press to maybe home. These are my choices. You can change it to like the ones that you like. However, now watch this. You can tap once and then control center opens. Double tap, your iPhone goes into silent mode. Double tap it again and sound is back. And if you long press, it takes you straight to the home screen. No buttons needed at all. This is super useful if your buttons are not working or if you just want faster controls. And the best part is this feature has been like on iPhone for years. So even older devices can use it. Okay. Yeah, sometimes some people say my iPhone is like old, but I don't want to change it. I still have to keep it. Yeah, it happens. It happened to me like in the past. I had like an old iPhone, to be honest. The mute, or we can say the silent button was like dead, broken. I used this feature, which is really cool. And you have it on like the screen every time, even when the iPhone is locked. Although this might be like somehow negative because yeah, having it on the lock screen might yeah, sometimes kids can play with it. However, I mean, you can have this instead of using the, we can say the physical buttons, you can use this one, right? So try it once and you will never go back. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.